Schaumburg High School. One of the things that you may have seen in the news recently is there was a demo that was done, Reno, I believe. The demo was, it was a demo that was done of a flame tornado, and it was actually done very poorly, and it was done so poorly that a lot of students ended up getting hurt by it. And when you watch the video, and if you search chemistry accident, Reno, you'll probably see the video of it. I sent it to some of my colleagues. I don't have the video right now, but if you look at the video, you can actually sort of see what goes wrong within the video, and you end up seeing the person that's doing the demo pouring chemicals directly from a stock bottle and pours it while it's already hot. So you end up getting it so that you have a hot tray, plus you have flammable chemicals pouring from a stock bottle. The whole bottle ends up kind of exploding, and it
injuring 20+ kids.
Right. It was extremely dangerous, and you can kind of see where she goes wrong as you watch the video. But I'm going to show it, and we're going to show it at least the safe way how to do it. So we're using, and also I believe the woman in the video was using methanol, whereas what I would rather use acetone. I think acetone works a little bit better. What we started with, we have a Lazy Susan bought from Kohl's.com. It does take a little bit of finesse to get the Lazy Susan right so that it spins really nicely. Then we have some pie trays as well as some wet sponges. The one thing with the sponges is that it really does absorb the chemicals well enough so that way they're not flying all over the place. But they are soaked to pretty much just being damp. The next thing is to use about 30 or so milliliters. Okay, that's about 30. Can you cap that, please? I usually keep an extra tray on the side just so that if you need to, at the very end, cap it to kind of kill the fire if necessary. It's available. Let's go ahead and put the projector.
I got it.
You got this
You want to
side?
do it on the floor?
Yes.
You ran to? I put it there. Fine.
Trusting you.
You don't get it.
You off? All right. So then we have this grate that we constructed on our own. We bought from Home Depot, and then you can see as it turns, it causes the flames to turn into a circle. Oh, I turned it.
Alright, and this is where, that is what happened, and she then went to go re-pour
And
methanol
didn't
out
let
of
it
the stock
cool.
bottle, and then it just ignited and shot out, so.
Okay. Yeah, that was bad.
Don't say anything.
And a lot of times, one of the things we also played with, and
It's our draft in here.
yeah, one of the other things we played with it is we've also added a little bit of copper chloride. You can get a nice green flame. I usually do this right around Halloween time because it looks really fun, especially if you can. It's just a really cool demo that how many times do you see a green flame tornado. So I think it's just a really fun demo, and it's really safe, or it's really easy to do. And it's fun to see, but you have to be safe while doing it. And I think a lot of times it's making sure you're picking the right chemicals and making sure that you're watching kind of, and just not being stupid about it, and you can have a really fun, cool, cool demo that's, all right?
And now, yay!